Hello. Today we are try to make you comfortable how to use the Google Sheets. The Google Sheets are very easy to compare data with the help of different charts like bar graph, line graphs, etc. So here I am what doing? I am make a maximum and minimum temperature of few cities of India today. So Gangtok, Agra, Mangaluru, Kolkata, you see that different temperatures, maximum temperatures and minimum temperatures are plotted in degree centigrade unit. So how with the help of Google Sheet you can draw different types of graph. Today we are just try to explain the line or the smooth graph. So if you put the different datas, so I put different datas here from different sites and just put the values, and you go to this explore section, open explore. First you have to do that open explore. So whenever you open explore, you see a screen like that. Okay, so the graph is already done. This is the graph done. So if you want to draw the graph of only the maximum temperature with the city name, just select this button, we select this button, and we are clicking the explore portion, and we see that only the graph of a single line will come. If you compare your analysis, then you have to select, or by default it select all the datas. So I just try to select all the data so that comparable datas of two line graph can be easily. So what we have to do, if I select, then we click the explore button and we just take the line graph. So just select it with the clicking the left button and drop it. So if you drop it, you see that your graph is actually placed on the sheet. So now if you try to minimize the sheet, so how will you minimize the graph? So by dragging this, you can minimize the chart area according to your need. Now this is a simple way you can do. Now you can edit the graph option. So how you can edit? So you see the three vertical dot here. Just click the three vertical dot, and a pop-up menu will come, and you just click the edit chart. Whenever you click the edit chart, there will be the setup button will click. Setup button will select up to from which cell to which cells you are actually drawing the graph. So here it is from A2, that is the name of the city, to C10, that is the last table. If you change the up to, if you think that we have to draw the graph of these first four cities and their maximum temperature, then you select A2 to B6 like that. Okay, now name of the city, like that you can easily use to row 2 as the header, use column A as the label. Now you can customize your graph. So the first you have to do the chart style. How the style? So if you think that the background color of your graph is not white, it should be something S color or something blue color like that. So this color will be, just click the background and select the color. Font theme. So if you change the font style, so that style will also be changed. Chart border color. So border color, how you change the border color? Border color of the chart can be changed. Let it be, I take it as a black. So the border will be changed into black. Now this is actually a scale drawing. Just you add the 2 points. But if you want to make it a smooth one, so just click it smooth, and you see that the graph will make a smooth curve line also. Okay. Now you are try to edit other things like that. What are we can edit? Smooth line chart, name chart, customize. Chart axis and title. You have to give the chart title. So chart title is given here, the maximum temperature and minimum temperature. So you can edit now the horizontal axis title. So what are the horizontal title? Horizontals are name of the city. So you write it name of the city. So it will be printed out. Name of the city. You can change the font. Let the font be Georgia or anything. Roboto or serif or sans serif or anything. So the font will change. Title font size. You can change it at 16. So font size. You make it bold. You make it with a different color theme. Like I take it as green, black, or whatever you want. And now see what will be the name of the city is printed on your graph paper. So now you make other few things that is available on the customize button. You can chart axis title. You can also make the vertical axis name. So what is the vertical axis title? The vertical axis should be here. What? This should be the temperature. So write the vertical axis as temperature. Temperature in degree centigrade. So let DEG means degree. So degree centigrade. And the font size is 18 degree C. It may be bold. It may be color, may be anything you like. So it will be this. So it will be printed name of the cities. Now what other things you can do? There are many things you can do. So I try to make the video as small as possible series. So what series you can change the left axis. This is the left axis, right axis. You can change the left axis means the axis should be printed at. If you shift it to this side, so left axis will be printed. Make line thickness. This is the line thickness. So if you change the line thickness 2 ppx to 4 ppx px pixel size, it will be a bold one. Point size. Point size you have to mark what is the value of the Gantok. So if you this as a point size that 10. So since this is 4, let it be 10. And make it a color, a circle or anything, star, pentagon, hexagon or whatever you may like. So by this you can do, or you may even take a cross mark like that. So I take it as circle this. So it will be like that. This will be the taken as. Now another thing what you can do, you can edit chart with the help of customize horizontal axis, vertical axis, legend. What you do, legend position of the legend, make it on the bottom, legend and Comic Sans auto, make it legend font size, let it be 14, make it bold and make the color with a different perspective like deep blue. So the legend will be done here. Name of the city, use it. Now another thing that is very to customize your or edit a chart is grid lines. So with the help of grid lines, we can make the graph look better, or you can access any point on the graph. So measure grid line count from which point to which point you need. You see that the maximum value and the minimum values are generally maximum is 42 and minimum is 12.5. So that's why I take 0 to 50. You can make it any. So that's why they are selected. You can make it from 0 or auto, that is none. None means 0 to major grid value. So this is the minor grid value. So let the minor grid value be 4. If you take it as 4, and what is the major grid value? Make the major. This is the color. So color of the grid lines may be dark brown. You take, and so this line will be on the dark line. Major grid line count. Minor grid line count. Minor grid line counts means the division between the major values. So if you take the minor grid line in between 0 to 20, there will be a 5 small grid line. So this will be printed and its color will be given as yellow. So it will be yellow. So by this technique, you customize your value, you can draw the vertical lines also, or you can compare that graph. So hope you can understand this small video. You should practice so that the understanding will be very much clear. If you, thank you for seeing that video.